Look, monkey, right in front of me. Oh damn, I thought he was coming for me then. I gotta watch the GoPro, man. Look at this, he's waiting for food. I know there's another one lurking somewhere. Oh, here he comes, come on, let's get out of it. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Touching down from another overcast day in Da Nang City, Vietnam. Today's mission is right behind me. We're going to the monument, which I've never been to before. My friend was telling me yesterday that this is like the poorer side of Da Nang. So I can see it's getting a little bit, you know, it fizzles out this way, you can see. And it looks like you got all the fishing boats over here as well. All the fishing boats stay. Yeah, it's been like this last couple of days, but it's really hot, man. It's hot. I'm loving just having a bit of cloud cover compared to Thailand. So it's not too far. So I'm going to hop on the Goblin again and ride the rest of the way. See, the city's only just here, and the monument just here, so it's not a hell of a way. It's like a nice pleasant ride as well. And that was my only plan for today so far, so we'll see what we get up to. We'll get up to some mischief, and I might go and get some food at a different place after that and show you that, an old place that I've been to before. Look, monkey, right in front of me. Oh damn, I thought he was coming for me then. I gotta watch the GoPro, man. Look at this, he's waiting for food. I know there's another one lurking somewhere. Oh, here he comes, come on, let's get out of it. Look at him, sitting on that bike, yeah. Oh, there's two of them. There's three, there's four, there's five. I'm not sure how much it is. He gave me a ticket on the way and have to pay on the way out. There's Da Nang. Over there, look. Got the boats out, looking a beaut, isn't it? So I'm looking forward to this. Never came here. Loads of tourists about. Got a bit of a climb. Some people on the bus waving. Let's do this. Another day in Da Nang, baby. We at the statue, the Buddha, the monument. Chua, Linh, Son Tra. So it's looking really busy here as well today. We're doing it. We are out. Yeah, it's further than what I thought coming in from the city, man. There you go. Didn't even notice, man. I was gonna walk right past it. Damn, it's bigger than what you think. See, that towers over the whole city. You're sweating. Do not feed the wildlife, monkeys. Don't feed the monkeys. We're on the wide shot. Good job we're on the wide. I'll have to get right back here, I think. So she's so big, I'm hoping I can get her in shot. I'm standing right at the back. So, Chun Lin Ung. It's got a height of 67 meters. It's getting a shade over here a bit. It's one of the main symbols of Da Nang and one of the largest statues in Vietnam. The full name of the temple is Chua Linh Ung Bai, but pagoda. And the Buddha statue is actually a huge statue of the goddess of mercy Linh of Guan Yin, also called Lady Buddha. There you go, guys. Some more Google for you. I'm going to look at the city as well down here. Jesus Christ, it looks a lot different from this side. There you go, look, Da Nang. My hat is ruined. I bought a new hat yesterday. I had to because, yeah, this one is rotting out, man. It's rotten. It's got all rotten marks all over it. So I'm gonna have to try and wash it. If not, chuck it away. So one thing about Da Nang is it's a major domestic tourist city. Don't really see that in Chiang Mai, I don't think. People do go there, but it's generally for like the holidays. Here, it just seems to be like every day. Right, let's have a look inside, shall us? Let's have a look in. This is not where I left my shoes. Where did I leave my ones? Oh, over here. So I think there's some other parts to it, so we're going to walk up. I've seen another pagoda up the top, and there's a temple down the bottom, so we're on the way down we're going to look there as well. So this place is what I was expecting. I normally always say I wasn't expecting this. This was totally what I was expecting when I came up here. It's probably a viewpoint up here. Ah, temple? Yes, temple. Soaked now. Hey, this is nice. Yeah, this is nice, isn't it? Nice garden. I think I've seen this on a vlog as well. Beautiful with the mountains behind. Yeah, liking this. This is more my style. Happy days. Even got the angle grinder in the background, look. Just to give it that walkabout Wayne feel. Yes, it's like Miyagi's bonsai tree. Yeah, that's nice, isn't it? That I'd have that in my garden, without a doubt. That is like Miyagi. It's definitely a Miyagi design, that is. Take the shoes off. It feels like I'm doing a lot more. No, it seems a bit more serious here than in Thailand. I wasn't even sure if I could take the camera in, but I seen another guy there filming. yeah, it just seems a bit more. Thailand seems more relaxed in the temples. I don't know, it might be just me. Oh, there's no breeze today either, that's what it is. There's normally a really big breeze. Today there's not a lot, guys. So I think we're gonna walk down now. Been and seen it. Had a good time. Chatted to a few people. I didn't put a girl on camera because she didn't really seem like she wanted to. So when you get that vibe, I don't do it. So I'm gonna go back down. Hopefully see some monkeys. Right. So I don't know what this is. I just passed it, and it's down near the docks, down near the boats. So I thought I would stop off and have a look. It's a restaurant or a cafe. So we're going to have a look. Yeah, it's a restaurant. Could get a coffee here or something. Hello. What is this restaurant?
Restaurant and coffee.
I can get coffee here.
Yeah.
Ah, great.
You can go this way too.
Okay guys, that is Son Tra Marina Cafe and Restaurant. It was a nice little stop off. There's yeah, it's a proper selfie zone going on here. For Instagram zone. Thought I'd just go up the top here, just to have a look out. Reasonable prices too. 50,000 dong for a coffee. Hey, get a better view up here, look. Happy days. Hello. How are you? Good. Oh, beautiful lady. Beautiful lady, model. She model. I get a good view there, look. Good view of Da Nang. Cloudy day. Got some nice ladies here, look. Doing the Instagram. Yeah, it was nice in there, not sort of my thing. Too many selfies going on. But it was nice to have a cup of coffee. First cup of coffee I've had proper milk coffee in months. I gave it up in Chiang Mai. I had a coconut coffee with my mate LJ the other day, but this is the first real milk coffee I've had, and yeah, I can't come to Vietnam and not have some coffee, man. So I'm just letting myself have a few coffees while I'm here, and I'll go back on the tea then, because I'm happiest on a nice cup of rosy Lee, you know. Right, so I'm going to head off to this temple that we was going to earlier, and I stopped off in here, but I'm glad I did. I showed you another little place, so I'm going to head over to the next destination, and hopefully this temple will be half decent. So on the way back down, guys, I went past this place and I thought it was worth a look. Yes, so you go past it once you go up to the Lady Buddha. It's on the same road as you go out of the city. That's where I just was having a coffee over there near the boats. And yeah, this place looked very, very chilled. So we're going to check it out, man. Yeah, it is as well. Nice chill guy. I've got the kids over there going mental, man. As soon as they see me, they're shouting, "What's your name? What's your name?" Yeah. That's cool. Cool temple, isn't it? I don't know how many of these they have got in Da Nang. I've not seen many out and about. It's just worth a look now on here. I'll rather take a look in. Not going to spend loads of time in here. We'll go. Hey, calm down. Hey, yeah, sit. Come on, boy, sit. Sit. Knew there'd be a dog. He wasn't too bad though. He only had about 2 teeth in his mouth. Yeah, he was alright. He was alright in the end. So I remember to take the hat off this time. I suppose if you just come here, it would be amazing, but because I live in Thailand, I suppose it doesn't blow me away like it would do if you're just here for the first time. I'm going to leave it there, guys, and I'm going to go into town and get some food now, because I am absolutely Hank Marvin. So guys, I'm back at my little lady, vegetarian lady again, and this time I'm going to try something different. She's going to do me the vegetarian rice. Thank you. And this is it. Looks really good, right? I think I'll have this one over the noodles. I ain't had rice in like 5 days. I ain't even seen rice in Vietnam until now. So look, this is what I've got today. Vegetarian rice dish. Some greens, some corn on the cob there I can see. And rice, man. I never thought I would eat a day where I've missed rice. So this one here is 25,000, and you get a soup as well. Still not even £1. So that's it for this one, guys. I'm going to chill out now, go home, probably have a little afternoon nap. Da Nang is knackering me right out. I'm probably going to have a day off tomorrow and then pick up the camera again. I've done quite a few vlogs, so yeah, I've been out and about. I'm full belly now, going to go home and chill, maybe edit a few vlogs. So yeah, I'm going to leave it as that, and I will see you in the next one. So take it easy, man. Take it easy.